Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can rotate or turn home screen on the Samsung mobile. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, scroll down your home screen, and when you will scroll down your home screen and you will see portrait options, so just hold your fingers on it and you will see it is off, so turn it on and you will see home screen and lock screen, so just turn it on. So after that, click on done options. So when you will click on done options, so you can see you can rotate or turn your home screen. So guys, in this way you can turn or rotate your home screen. If you want to lock your home screen that it remain in the vertical form, so again scroll down it and you will see auto rotate option, so just click on it and then turn it off. So guys, in this way your home screen will remain in the vertical form. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.